नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, मी सचिन पाटील. कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल टू अचीव सक्सेस या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो. आपण MPSC आणि UPSCसाठी ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट मॅथ्स जो आहे त्या मॅथ्स या सब्जेक्टबद्दल आपण काय करायला लागलेलो आहोत, तर लेक्चर सिरीज चालू केलेली आहे. आणि या लेक्चर सिरीजमध्ये आपण जर विचारात घेतलं तर आपण ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन या गोष्टीचा विचार केला. ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनमध्ये असणाऱ्या पॉईंट्समध्ये फॉर्म्युलेशन ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, त्याच्यानंतर आपण फर्स्ट डिग्री डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन पाहत आहोत. फर्स्ट डिग्री डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनमध्ये असणारा पहिला टाईप आपण जो बघितलेला होता तो म्हणजे व्हेरिएबल सेपरेबल इक्वेशन, आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपण दुसरा टाईप जो बघितला तो म्हणजेच काय, होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. आता बघा, हे आपण इक्वेशन्सचे टाईप बघितले. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला तिसरा टाईप आपल्याला जो मिळणार आहे तो नॉन होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ टाईप नंबर 3 हा आहे नॉन होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. बघा, नॉन होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर असं आपल्याला बघायला मिळतं. सॉरी, फर्स्ट डिग्री म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये आपलं हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे फर्स्ट डिग्री या स्वरूपामध्ये मिळणार आहे. परंतु हे नॉन होमोजिनियस असेल तर, आता नॉन होमोजिनियस असेल तर आपल्याला त्या इक्वेशनचा टाईप कसा असतो किंवा कशा पद्धतीनं पाहायला मिळतं ते आपण बघू. तर लक्षात घ्या, dy/dx इज इक्वल टू ax प्लस by प्लस c डिवाइड बाय ax प्लस by प्लस c. दिस इज युअर नॉन होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट डिग्री आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं. आता याच्यामध्ये जे बघायला मिळतात, स्मॉल a, b, त्याच्यानंतर कॅपिटल A, कॅपिटल B, स्मॉल c, कॅपिटल C, हे जे आपल्याला बघायला मिळतात दोज आर कॉन्स्टंट्स. ओके. मग याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला केसेस बनतात आणि त्या केसेस आपल्याला एकूण 3 केसेस बघायला मिळतील. एक ग्रुपिंगमध्ये आपल्याला बघायला मिळतं. आता त्याच्यामधली पहिली केस आपण विचारात घेणार आहोत. तर केस 1चा जर विचार केला तर याच्यामध्ये केस फर्स्टचा जर आपण विचार केला तर तो कशा पद्धतीचा आहे, तर याच्यामध्ये लक्षात ठेवायचं, a डिवाइड बाय a इज नॉट इक्वल टू b डिवाइड बाय b at that time. That means what? Those are a constant which are a coefficient of x and y, and you have to get the a divided by a ratio is not equal to b have to b divided by b ratio. Then you can go through case number 1. What is the case number 1? Case number 1 is a reduce equation into homogeneous equation by putting small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. By putting x is equal to x plus h and y is equal to y plus k, it is a shifting of origin to the point hk. It is shifting of origin to point hk. Okay, that means what? When case 1 is related with a divided by a ratio is not equal to b divided by b ratio, at that time you reduce the equation into the homogeneous equation by particular substitution. X is equal to x plus h and y is equal to y plus k. It is nothing but a shifting of origin from 0 0 to hk, and obvious dx is equal to d capital X and dy is equal to d capital Y. Okay, and right now we have to put this inside the equation number 1. Later to consider equation 1. Putting in 1, equation becomes After putting x is equal to x plus h, y is equal to y plus k inside this, we will get the equation like that. dy by dx is equal to a into, we have to replace the x by using capital X plus h and b into y. Y is replaced by capital Y plus k and it is a c. And then similarly we have to put the x is equal to x plus h and b y plus a is here and capital C is here. Okay, by adjusting those equation and multiplying a inside the bracket, multiplying b inside the bracket, and so on, all those things which are carried inside this one, and you will get the we choose h and k such that a h plus b k plus c is equal to 0. Where will we get? First of all, we have to carry out this equation is here. A into x, that means a x plus b into y, b y plus a into h is here, a into h plus b into k is here, b into k and plus c. This is your one condition. We have to choose h and k such that ah plus bk plus c is equal to 0. And similarly we have to use this one, that means a into capital X plus capital B into capital Y plus capital A into H plus capital B into K plus capital C is here. And those terms, that means AH plus BK plus C and capital AH plus capital BK plus capital C is equal to 0. It is a transfer into homogeneous equation. It is a transfer into homogeneous equation. By using a conditions and a cross multiplication rule, we find the value of h and k is here by using cross multiplication rule. We get later to consider is here. And what is the technique we have to use? Small b capital B, small c capital C is here. Then we use small a capital A, and last one, once again this value is repeated here, b and b, and write h a and 1 is here. Then like that carry out the cross multiplication and you will get the values of h is equal to sorry, here you will get the h divided by or I can say just a moment, h is equal to, directly we have to find out the value of h is equal to b into c minus capital B into small c divided by a into capital B minus capital A into small b. Similarly, we can find out the value of k is here. A is equal to we use this one, okay, c into capital A plus capital C into small a divided by a into capital B minus capital A into small b. And by using this we can find out the value of h and k and put those value inside this equation. You will get the homogeneous equation. And by homogeneous equation is there, we can use y is equal to v into capital X. This is a similar putting like that, y is equal to vx, and here we use the capital Y and capital X is here. And after that, taking the derivative of this, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, and putting those value inside the homogeneous equation, convert into convert into uh, convert into sorry, convert into variable separable form, variable separable form, and find the solution by using integration, and you will get the answer for that differential equation. It is your first case. That means when case 1 is what, a divided by a is not equal to b divided by b, then reduce the equation by using x is equal to capital X plus h and y is equal to capital Y plus k, and shifting this origin to hk, you will get the dy by dx is equal to this, and choose like that a plus h plus bk plus c, a capital AH plus BK plus C, both values as a 0. By using cross multiplication rule, you will get the H is equal to this and K is equal to this value. Sorry, minus is here. Just a moment. Minus is here. Sorry, one sign is wrongly taken, and K is equal to CA minus CA divided by AB minus AB is there, and when we get the values of H and K, this equation is transferred into homogeneous equation. Then according to homogeneous equation rule or homogeneous equation solving steps, y is equal to v into x, putting this value convert into the variable separable form, and then find the integration of that variable separable form. You will get the solution of that non-homogeneous differential equation of first degree. Right now we have to carry out the one example on that particular case, and then we are going with the second case related with the non-homogeneous differential equation of first degree. We know that the ordinary differential equation carry 40 to 50 marks inside the UPSC and MPSC exam in a descriptive pattern. So this paper number 1 having ordinary differential equation is the most important topic, and according to that you have to find out the different types and what are the rules to find out the solution of that differential equation. We have to carry the example related with the non-homogeneous differential equation of first degree, and inside that case we have to go with a divided by a is not equal to b divided by b as it is. Okay, we find out the or solve dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y minus 3 divided by 2x plus y minus 3 is here. Okay, inside this equation, first of all we have to compare this equation with dy by dx is equal to small ax plus small by plus c divided by capital AX plus capital BY plus C is here, and later consider it as a small c and it is capital C, and comparing you will get what, a is equal to 1, small b is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 3. Similarly we will get what, capital A is equal to 2, capital B is equal to 1, and capital C is equal to minus 3. Okay, that means small a, capital B, capital A, capital B, those are the values are present here, and according to rule or case 1, a divided by a, that means you will get the 1 divided by 2, and small b divided by capital B, that means you will get the 2 divided by 1, and therefore small a divided by capital A is not equal to small b divided by capital B, and therefore it is a case 1. Okay, first we think about the case easier, and after that you have to put or reduce this equation by putting small x is equal to capital S plus h, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k is here, and putting those value, dx is equal to d capital X and dy is equal to d capital Y is here. After that, putting inside the equation, you will get the dy by dx, sorry, capital X is here, dy by dx is equal to x is replaced by x plus h plus 2 into y is replaced by y plus k is here, and minus 3 is here. Then putting same values here, 2 into x plus h plus y is equal to y plus k, and minus 3 is here. And multiplying inside, you will get the capital X plus 2y plus is here h plus 2k minus 3, and same procedure is here, 2x plus y plus 2h 2h plus k minus 3. Now we have to choose h plus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0, and 2h plus k minus 3 is equal to 0 is here. Choose h plus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0, and 2h plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, first of all, we reduce this equation. H is equal to, and h is equal to is here minus 2k plus 3, and putting this value inside this, you will get what? 2 into minus 2k plus 3 plus k minus 3 is equal to 0, and minus 4k plus 6 plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then minus 4k plus k, that means it is a minus 3k, and plus 6 minus 3, that means it is a plus 3, it is equal to 0, and plus 3, here we will get the minus 3k is equal to minus 3, and it implies that k is equal to 1. And putting those value of k is equal to 1 here, put k is equal to 1, you will get h is equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 3, that means h is equal to minus 2 plus 3, it is equal to 1, that means h is equal to 1, and k is equal to 1. Therefore you will get what? Small x is equal to x plus h, that means capital X plus 1, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k, that means capital Y plus 1 is here, capital Y plus 1 is here. Okay, and putting those values inside this, you will get the uh, final result related with it. Okay, here we will get the values of capital X and capital Y. Capital X is equal to small x minus 1, and capital Y is equal to small y minus 1 is here. Okay, we have used those value and inside the transformation of the equation. Okay, right now this equation number, let us to consider here, it is equation number 2 is here, and dy, capital dy divided by capital dx, we put this value is equal to 0 and this value is equal to 0, then dy by dx is equal to capital X plus 2 into capital Y divided by 2 into capital X plus y is here. We just put the values of h plus 2k minus 3 and 2h plus k minus 3 is equal to 0 inside the equation 2, and therefore equation 2 becomes dy by capital dx is equal to capital X plus 2y divided by 2x plus y is here. And right now put this is homogeneous equation, and therefore we use y is equal to v into capital X, and therefore dy by capital dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx is here. dv by dx is here. Okay, by using this equation inside this, you will get the v plus you have to use the small v here, v plus capital X into dv by dx is equal to x as it is plus 2 into y is equal to v into capital X divided by 2 into x plus y is equal to v into capital X. Then x is taken common here and cancel out each other. Therefore, 1 plus 2v divided by 2 plus v is here. And here v plus capital X into dv by capital dx. Okay. After that, plus v is taken as a minus on other side, and therefore x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2v divided by 2 plus v minus v, and making same denominator, you will get the 1 plus 2v minus 2v minus v square divided by 2 plus v is here, and capital X into dv by dx. 2v and 2v are cancelled to each other, and therefore you will get the 1 minus v square divided by 2 plus v is here, and capital X into dv by dx. Okay, after that we transfer those equation inside the we have to check once again 1 plus 2v and 2 plus v is here. Okay, and then transferring those values, we will get the 2 plus v divided by 1 minus v square is equal to capital dx divided by x is here. Capital dx divided by x is here. Right now you will get the v square minus 1. That means you have to take the minus sign common from the denominator, and you will get the values like that, minus 2, or what you can say, v plus 2 divided by v square minus 1 is equal to dx divided by x, and this minus is transferred to another side. You will get the v plus 2 divided by v square minus 1. Here I think I forgot dv and dv is equal to minus dx divided by x is here. Okay, and this is a variable separable form, and you have to take the integration on both side. Okay, integration v plus 2 divided by v square minus 1 into dv is equal to minus integration dx divided by x is here, and here we will get the, this is a denominator for v also and 2 also, therefore separate the integration. V divided by v square minus 1 into dv plus 2 is taken as a common, and integration 1 divided by v square minus 1 into dv is equal to minus integration of d capital X divided by capital X is here. Okay, now adjust the value of 2 is here, 1/2 into 2v divided by v square minus 1 into dv plus 2 into integration of 1 divided by v square minus 1 into dv is equal to minus integration of dx divided by x is here. Now here derivative of denominator present in numerator, and therefore we will use integration. What is the integration rule? Integration integration f dash x divided by f of x is equal into dx is equal to log of f of x is here, log of f of x, and here we use the integration rule 1 divided by x square minus a square into dx. It is having the value 1 divided by 2a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a is here, and by using these rules inside this equation you will get the answer like that, 1/2 log of v square minus 1 minus 2 into 1 divided by 2 into, here a is nothing but a 1, and therefore 1 is put it here, 1 into log of x it is replaced by v minus 1 divided by v plus 1 is here, is equal to minus log of capital X. Minus log of capital X is here, and you will get the values like that: 1/2 log of v square minus 1 minus 2 cancel to each other, and you will get the log of v minus 1 divided by v plus 1 is equal to minus log of x is here. Okay, and we put v is equal to let us consider first of all 1/2, that means it is a raised to, and therefore log of root of v square minus 1 minus log of v minus 1 divided by v plus 1 is equal to minus log of capital X. This is the log, and here minus, then it is a dividation of these two, and you will get the log of v square minus 1 divided by v minus 1 into v plus 1, and it is equal to minus log of x is here. Okay, you will get the values of this one, and by putting the value of v and capital X, you will get the final. Okay, after taking the integration, we add here log of c, and here we will get the log of square root of v square minus 1 divided by v minus 1 into v plus 1 is here, and it is equal to we shuffle it, log c first of all, and then minus log x, then log of c divided by capital X, then cancel out log on both sides, see this, we by putting or taking values of a and b, a is not equal to a divided by a is not equal to b divided by b, then we use the shifting rule, and shifting rule, using this we have to find out the values of h and k. H is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1, then small capital X is equal to small x minus 1 and capital Y is equal to small y minus 1. Then reduce the homogeneous equation, homogeneous equation, by putting y is equal to v into x. You will get the final answer is here, and cancel out the log on both sides. You will get the next step is here. Next step is what? So root of v square minus 1 and divided by v minus 1 into v plus 1 is here, is equal to c divided by x. Squaring on both sides, squaring, we get what? V square minus 1 divided by v minus 1 square into v plus 1 square is equal to c square divided by x square is here. And 1 v minus 1, we have to take the v minus 1 and v plus 1 divided by v minus 1 square into v plus 1 square is equal to c square divided by x square is here. And cancel out the v minus 1 and v minus 1 from here, and you will get the v plus 1 cube divided by v minus 1 is equal to c square divided by x square is here. And right now put the value of y, v is equal to y divided by x is here, v is equal to y divided by x, and after that using y divided by capital X plus 1 cube divided by y divided by capital X minus 1 is equal to c square divided by x square. And now put the value of y and finalize the result. We will get the y is equal to what? Y is equal to small y minus 1 divided by small x minus 1 plus 1 raised to 3 divided by small y minus 1 divided by small x minus 1 is equal to c square divided by small x minus 1 square. Okay, and by putting the values cross multiplication, you will get the result as as it is. Here you'll get the y minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 cube whole divided by y minus 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to c square divided by x minus 1 square. Okay, then minus 1 cancel to each other, and here you will get the y plus x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 and cube of this term divided by y minus x divided by x minus 1 is equal to the square divided by x small x minus 1 square. Okay, you will get y plus x minus 2 divided by raised to 3 divided by x minus 1 raised to 3 into x minus 1 divided by y minus x is equal to c square divided by x minus 1 square, and cancel out one this, then here you will get the 2 and this 2 with this one, you will get the y plus x minus 2 raised to 3 divided by y minus x is equal to c square, and transferring this value on other side, you will get the y plus x minus 2 cube is equal to c square into y minus x, and this is your final solution of that differential equation. How can you solve the final, or how can you solve this differential equation? First of all, we have to check small a divided by capital A is not equal to small b divided by capital B, and then you will get the not equality. Then we put small x is equal to capital X plus minus h and plus h, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k is there, and it is a shifting of origin from 0 0 to hk, and after that putting you will get the homogeneous equation in capital X and capital Y. Then we substitute capital Y is equal to v into capital X, and taking the derivative of that also, and it is a we have to find out the variable separable form, then taking the integration and require results, you will get the final result of that solution, and this solution is nothing but this one, y plus x minus 2 raised to 3 is equal to c square into y minus x is there. जर आपल्याला हे समजलं असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. असंच आपण आता पुढल्या लेक्चरमध्ये केस 2 घेऊन येणार आहोत, आणि त्या केस 2 मध्ये नॉन होमोजिनियस इक्वेशन डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट डिग्री, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला स्मॉल ए डिवाइडेड बाय कॅपिटल ए इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल बी डिवाइडेड बाय कॅपिटल बी असेल तर कशा पद्धतीने सॉल्व्ह करायचं हे आपल्याला बघायला मिळणार आहे. तर हे लेक्चर सिरीज जी आहे ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, ज्याच्यामध्ये 40 ते 50 मार्काचं आपल्याला क्वेश्चन UPSC मध्ये MPSC मध्ये विचारण्याच्या शक्यता राहतात, त्याच्यावरती आपण कॅरी केलेलं आहे. 40 ते 50 मार्क म्हणजेच लक्षात ठेवायचं 20% मार्क्स आहेत, आणि आपल्याला माहित आहे की एखाद्या सब्जेक्टमध्ये आपल्याला जर 20% मार्क्स मिळत असतील तर आपण खूप पुढं जाऊ शकतो. सो लाईक, शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब दिस व्हिडिओ. थँक यू.